Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you have a fireplace or wood-burning or pellet-burning furnace. First, if you also have forced air, turn the fan on to help circulate heat. Make sure your ceiling fans rotate clockwise so they pull cool air up off the floor and push warm air down. And also keep them running at their lowest speed. 18 July 2018.
Take our lead.
Fireplace fans help to circulate warm air and increase heat penetration into the room. However, they do not increase the fireplace's total BTU output. Instead, fireplace blowers simply move air more effectively to increase the amount of airflow around the fireplace and the entire room's ambient temperature. 27 October 2020.
Take our lead.
Fans can be used to encourage air circulation and move the warm air down from the ceiling to your level. Using fans to circulate heat allows you to lower the thermostat and save on energy bills. Ensure your home is warm this winter by making sure your insulation is secure, and by using fans to circulate heat. 30 December 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Use fans. Using fans to move the heat around will allow you to heat the entire upstairs, or place fans that move the wood stove heat to only one room. A fan mounted high in a doorway or on the wall in the same room as the stove will blow hot air to where you need it to go.
Take our lead.
How to get more heat from your gas fireplace. Invest in the right fireplace. Gas fireplaces are categorized in a few different ways: B-vented, which are quite efficient in terms of heat generation, and direct vented, which are even more efficient. Get yourself a fireback. Think about dampers. The 31st of March 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.